I'm finishing this piece of my bargain. And what I mean by that is it doesn't matter how long it takes to finish it, I don't know. But that is the shape of where I am.
For those of us who cannot indulge the passing dreams of choice, who love in doorways, coming and going in the hours between dawn, looking inward and outward at once, before and after, seeking nows that can breed future.
I remembered all of those particular things. Poem about love. And the student advisor, the faculty advisor, said it was a bad sonnet. And I really knew that it was a good one, do you see? But I knew that she didn't like it because of the things that I said in it. So I sent it off, they bought it. And I made more money from that one poem than I made for the next 10 years.
You say you're sorry for being so untrue. Well, you can cry me a river.